everyone. Today is i-interview na si among senior pastor sa church, si Pastor Jane Diaz. So, for our values. So, good morning, Pastor.
Good morning.
And mag-proceed na sa questions. So, first question, Pas, is what is your leadership style?
Yes. Since 2009, I became a full-time pastor. So, medyo mahaba-haba na rin, matagal-tagal. And then, marami ding style na leadership na tinry ko. I've been in the very strong kind of leader, very direct na kind of leader. I've learned a lot of things. Sa ngayon, style ng leadership ko is fathering. Kumbaga, mas more on ako sa coaching. So yun yung style ng leadership ko na I coach every time na bago ko ituturo, bago gagawin, so ituturo ko muna, and then nandun yung supervision, and then nandun yung time na kapag hindi ka kayanin yun ako papasok. So it's more on coaching, yung style ng leadership ko, being a father, parang gano'n, sinasasabi.
Pass. So, for the second question is, how does your leadership style, what are the effects of it sa mga nag-follow sa inyo?
Since then, marami na rin kasi ako nagpuntahan na simbahan, and it truly affects them. And even up to this time, meron talagang effects sa kanila. Pero up to this time, even malayo na kami sa mga churches kung saan ako nanggaling, from Manila till here, so marami pa rin nagko-communicate sa amin because by God's grace, yung leadership na i-put up natin doon ay talaga nandun yung effect sa kanila. At maganda, isa sa mga good effect sa kanila is nakikita nila, they love it na ginagawa ko, and then they want to copy it. So, yun yung nagiging effect sa kanila. At ang kagandahan doon sa effect, it is not only a morality effect, but it talks about a godly manner effect sa kanila. They want to be a good father also, they want to be a good husband also, they want to be a good leader sa kanila din mga nasasakupan. So, magandang effect na up to this time, meron pa rin doon. They keep connecting with us dahil doon sa base din nila leadership.
For the third question, Pastor, is how did you influence them to
So, I do believe that leadership is influence. Napaka-importante yun na ang leadership talaga, it's more on influencing people to become, praying to become who you are, the way you think, the way you speak, the way you do things, yung talaga yung kagandahan sana yung gusto natin. Ang pinakamaganda doon na influence, kasi as I influence them, kailangan dapat talaga nakikita nila yung tinuturo ko. That's the way how I influence them. So, kumbaga, I walk what I talk. So, I live what I say. Importante yun sa influence ng leadership. Kasi kapag hindi nila nakikita yun,